This trick makes my home smell beautifully. Everyone who visits me asks, "What's that scent?" I don't buy it in the store, I make it myself. I heat a fork over a candle, then take a simple disposable plastic box. Using the hot fork, I make numerous holes in it. They need to be plenty. The hot fork melts them, so it's the fastest way. When the lid is covered in holes, I remove it from the box and pour salt inside. Plain, inexpensive kitchen salt with coarse grains will be perfect, as it has cleansing properties and absorbs moisture. Let me know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Then I pour a teaspoon of fabric softener into it. It should have a pleasant floral scent. I mix everything so that the salt gets colored by the fabric softener. Prepare a handful of cloves and insert them evenly around in equal intervals. You can create nice patterns that will be pleasing to the eye. Place such a box in the bathroom or wardrobe. It will emit a pleasant fragrance. Everyone will ask what smells so good. Additionally, it absorbs excess moisture, so it works great in a shoe cabinet. The scent of the fabric softener and cloves will be intense, making it perfect for the bathroom as well. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. My laundry has never smelled so beautiful and lasted so long as it does after adding this mixture. The fresh laundry scent fills the whole house, and the towels are exceptionally soft and fluffy. After trying this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemical products. You only need a few ingredients. Grab a bowl and a small cup or teacup. Fill the cup with salt, preferably sea salt, and pour it into the bowl. Add a cup of Epsom salt, which softens laundry perfectly. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to both salts. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This combination helps remove detergent residues from fabrics and eliminates unpleasant odors. After adding this to your laundry, your clothes won't lose their color. To make the mixture smell beautiful, add 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. You can mix several scents or choose your favorite. Stir the oil into the mixture thoroughly. Prepare a jar to store this powder, then transfer everything into it. Now it's time to do your laundry. As usual, put everything in the washing machine, add your favorite detergent, and then add 2 tablespoons of this powder to the drum. You can use this mixture along with fabric softener, or you can skip it. When you take the laundry out, it will smell amazing. You'll be surprised at how much impact this simple addition has on the scent of your laundry. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is one small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. Heat a fork over the stove flame. Trust me, this will completely transform your home. The scent in my apartment is so incredible that you can smell it all the way down the hallway. To create it, all you need is a plastic container with a lid that you no longer use. First, heat the fork on the stove and use it to make a few random holes in the container lid. This will allow the fragrance to release gradually. Now, it's time to prepare the scent mixture. Pour 1 cup of coarse salt into the container. Then, add 2 shots of alcohol to enhance and prolong the scent. Finally, mix in 1 capful of your favorite laundry scent beads. Their strong aroma will make the fragrance last even longer. Stir everything well with a spoon, then seal the container with the perforated lid. Place it in a discreet spot, like under a kitchen cabinet. Within minutes, a pleasant aroma will start spreading throughout the room, filling your home with freshness that even reaches the hallway. Place a laundry capsule on a sheet of toilet paper and pour hot water over it. When the paper starts to soften, remove the cardboard roll with tongs. Press the paper down to reduce its volume, then crumble it with your fingers. Transfer some of the paper to a bowl and pour your favorite fabric softener over it. Its ingredients keep a fresh scent for a long time. Add scent beads and a little mouthwash, known for its antibacterial properties. Finish by adding dish soap. Prepare a second bowl and transfer the remaining paper into it. Sprinkle coffee over it, which absorbs unpleasant odors. Then add whole black peppercorns, which naturally repel insects. Place the mixture with dish soap on the toilet tank. It will make the bathroom smell fresh within minutes and replace artificial chemical fresheners. Put the second bowl on the balcony or by the door. This way, no insects will enter your home, as the strong scent of the mixture will keep them away.